Today, I will show you how you can record your computer audio using Audacity. Start by making sure you have Audacity open. Now, go to the menu bar and click on Audio Setup. Here, you will see a few options, including an option for recording devices. If you have a microphone connected to your device, it will show up in this list. If not, it will be grayed out. But in both cases, there is no option to record the computer audio. To fix this, go to the top menu bar, click on Edit, and then select Preferences. This will open the Audacity settings. Make sure you are in the Audio Settings tab and look for the Host option under Interface. Click on the drop-down menu and change the host to Windows Was API. Once you have done that, click OK. Now go back to the Audio Setup menu. You will see a new option in the Recording Devices list labeled Loopback. This is your computer's audio. Select it and then press the Record button. You will now see that Audacity is recording your computer's sound. That is how you record sound from your computer in Audacity.